Her fate was changed by many figures of history. She had different names and periods, but she is still beautiful. Her crown is Princess Castle. It also had difficult life story. There lived princes and beggars. But all time his lover was near. This is a basilica of Saint John Apostle. They stand side by side for almost 800 years. In this quiet and cozy city, you can feel the spirit of the Middle Ages. And even Legends dragon guarding the castle may appear from the mall. That time Olesnica met us in gold autumn decoration. You can imagine that any time of the year there is fairy tale. And we also know there are many secrets and legends in this city. We hope to come back here and invite you to travel Poland with us. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.